Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Tuya smart camera using an iPhone. First, make sure you have an iPhone, your Tuya smart camera and 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Also, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Now plug in your smart camera and turn it on. Wait till you see a flashlight or hear a voice promote. If the light is not flashing, press and hold the reset button on the camera for about 5 to 10 seconds until it starts flashing. This means the camera is ready to connect. Next, open the Tuya Smart app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from App Store and log in or create a new account. Once you are at the home screen, tap plus sign in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose camera and lock, then select camera or smart camera or even Wi-Fi camera depending on what you see. The app will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure you select 2.4G Wi-Fi network, not 5G. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap next. Now the app will show a QR code on your phone screen. Hold the iPhone in front of the camera lens about 6 to 12 inches away until you hear a sound or a voice saying it's connected. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds while the camera is finished connection. Once connected, you can name the camera and choose a room like living room or a front room. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.